What's up, guys? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kimberly Cherrell, but I go by Kim, okay? So, makeup tutorial. Wow. Let's acknowledge the broken nail and get past it. And these are my real nails, natural nails, okay? This is broken. I'm heartbroken about it. So, don't bring it up, please. My lips are looking a little ashy. I'm gonna go in with this MAC lip conditioner. Just gonna go in with this first. It feels good. It feels real good. All right, so I haven't even like toned my face. I know I need to do that like right after the shower, but it ain't happening. So I'm about to tone my face right now, and I'm using the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. Looks like that. And it has actual roses in it. Isn't that cute? Yeah, go ahead and tone that face, girl. So I'm going to go in by moisturizing my skin. I'm going to be using the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. Jelly. I am obsessed with like jelly types of moisturizers. I normally use my Neutrogena like water gel. But honestly, that was like 20 something bucks. And this was around the same price. So might as well go with Clinique. And I just do 2 pumps. And I just like rub this into my skin. You'll see that? It just gives you like that natural like glow and just melanin enhanced boost, you know? I love this stuff. It's amazing. So I am going to go in with an eye cream, but I don't think I brought it in here today. So let me go get my eye cream. Eye cream, check. I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. It's eye cream. So I like this. I love the Neutrogena line. So Sky. Yo, son. Go sit down. Go sit down. Jesus. Eye cream, check. So, what I'm going to start with? I'm going to start with my brows, guys. I'm going to start with the brows. So, the brow pencil thing that I'm going to be using is the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. And it looks like this. Yo. Am I the only person that likes the concept of this and I actually like the product? It has your brow shade, your concealer shade. It has multiple shades, guys. Like if you want a brown, if you want a dark brown one day, like wet. And basically you just like do the little clicker thing. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. I'm just going to wind some of this up. Do my brizzles. Let's zoom you guys in. This honestly just got really personal, but I like it. If you see some snot or something, chill. As you can see, my brows need to be darn honey. I'm going to be using the darkest shade. This is the deeper shade in the Contour Pro Brow by Benefit. So my brows are already pretty awesome, okay? The shape is good. I just need them to be done. So I'm just going to go ahead and outline them. This is a lot faster when my brows are actually freshly done. I'm just saying. Alright, so I'm going in with the lighter shade. Click that thing. Okay, normally I don't go up here, but you know, sometimes we get a little excited. And you just want to carve out that end. Oh, whoop, there it is. So now I'm going to go in with the Bobbi Round Face Base, and it looks like this, y'all. This stuff right here is heaven sent. Like, I feel like my makeup just looks so much better with this product. Now, it's expensive as shit, but it's bomb. Not gonna lie. Can't lie. Not gonna. Oh, it feels so good. Like, I always put this on my face every day, even if I'm not wearing makeup, just because it feels so good. But this is going to be my base. This is, I don't even use primers and stuff a lot anymore. Just this. Next, I am going to be mixing. I'm going to be mixing the Becca. I'm going to put a few pumps of this on my face. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. This is just for that highlighted look, okay? That glow. That's what this is for. You know what? I want more glow. Let's just glow everywhere. All right. Then I'm gonna go in and add my Nars. This is the Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and this is in the shade New Orleans, which is dark 2. These are very small pumps, by the way. A pump, a pump. Okay, just 3 pumps. Put the rest on your chin like that right there. This is what I do, okay? Don't judge me. And I'm going in with the Giorgio Armani. Like, this is actually a pretty expensive foundation routine. Oops. Now I'm going in with the Giorgio Armani foundation. This is in the shade 13. I don't always use this, and if I do, I like to mix it with other foundations just so that I'm not using it all, because this shit was $60. So for some extra glow effects, we're gonna start blending, because I'm ready to start blending. I'm using the NYX in the shade 3 foundation brush. I don't know, Jackie Aina always talks about it, and it's lit, so now I'm talking about it. I'm just blending in there, y'all. You can't tell me my skin don't look good, though. Woo. Oh, heck. And yes, you will look oily in a mug at first. I'm definitely going to look extremely oily right now. But don't forget, you have to put a lot of powders and stuff on too. So you want that glow to still shine through powders. So the more glowy you are, like, initially, the better. Oh my god, I'm looking like a melanin goddess right now. Like, I feel like I'm looking like Juices and Burrs. Juices and Burrs. Oh, and if you are interested in this hair routine, I might post it. I don't know. It may be posted before this video. It may not be posted at all. I don't know. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles. I'll either use the shade Caramel or Tan. These are the two. They're both on the verge of breaking down into yours. Yeah, let's use Tan today. We're still glowing. Just saying. We're still glowing. So I'm just taking this brush I got from Sephora like years ago. I do use a beauty blender, but I like to start off by using a brush first to just kind of blend it out. Okay, after it done set a little bit, because I don't want it to pick up much product. If you go in with the beauty blender, like right off the bat, it just picks up a lot of product, and sometimes I want that full, you know? And I like to take it on the lip. Okay. Okay. I need to go wet my beauty blender, and I'll be back. I lied. I went and got a Shop Miss A sponge. It's $1, and it's better than my beauty blender. So kind of go over that a little bit and make sure I blend those edges together. Like that. You have that, and you got that. If you don't think my skin looks good right now, something's wrong with you. Cause, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Translucent Medium Powder. Yes, looks like this. It's actually pretty cool. Because it doesn't just, like, fall all out. You actually have to lift this little latch right here. And then get your powder, boo. So I've been loving applying my powder. I used to apply it with my sponge, but I've been loving applying it with a brush. So I'm just going to take a little, you know, tapered flat brush. I'm just going to like get some of this powder and indulge in my under eye area. That eyelid too. Don't forget that eyelid. Okay. So now I'm going to take my contour, and I use Sephora Make No Mistake High Coverage Concealer. This stuff is bomb. I like to go a little bit. You see where my contour is right here? My natural contour. I like to take my contour just like right above it, like a little bit. Okay. And just take a little bit, y'all. Like a little bit goes a long way. This is going to last me for like ever. I don't think I'm ever running out of that. So I'm going in with this flat brush. It's a Bare Minerals brush. It's the Precision Face Brush. And I got this from TJ Maxx, actually. I did not buy it from Bare Minerals. But we're just going to blend this out. You want to go right up here into your temples. The temples. Fresh. Alright, so I'm going to bronze my skin with the Anastasia bronzer in Mahogany. And then this is the bronzer. It's my Ray Ray's brush. This is it for her collab that she did with BH Cosmetics. I have the eyeshadow palette. But this is such a great bronzer brush. I can't get over it. I can't get over it. Okay, we in there. Okay, so I'm going to be taking just this little rink-a-dink cheap brush. It's kind of angled. I probably won't use it for anything other than this, but I'm going to do some nose contour, and I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown. I used to kill this stick back in the day. This is the Skin Foundation Stick in the shade Espresso. Looks like this. You would think that I have a lot of Bobbi Brown products, but these are the only Bobbi Brown products that I own. It's like this contour and this, and it sounds like I should probably invest in some more because I do love them. I do love them. So I'm just dabbing this brush. Whew. And I'm going to go from the brows down. I'm going down. Just like press, 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 press. Press, 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 press. Until you get that to look the way you want it to. You know what I'm saying? You don't know that I did a nose contour, but like, I did. I just keep the sponge on hand, like when I do something, I'm like, blend, blend, blend. Oh, I'm gonna go in with some blush. What blush am I gonna take? I'm gonna be using the MAC blush in Raisin. I feel like nobody talks about this anymore, but it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. And I'm just using this stippling brush. It's by Style Master. I don't even think that's a brand anymore. I like to be a little light-handed with my blush. Don't get crazy. I'm going to be using the Jackie Aina highlight. This is literally the only highlighter that I use. I'm going to be using it in La Peach. A little dab in there. Just, a little tink. I be killing LeBron's, but I'm like, I need to do La Peach a little bit more because we bought them all. We bought them all. Put some on your nose. Cupid's bow. Oh, I'm not doing eyeshadow today, so you can go a little extra on the inner corner. Just dab that thing in there like that. This really, I have big eyes, so this like really gets in there and get the job done. Like, this brush is actually perfect for this. I was picking it up because it was the only clean brush I had, but shoot, that is kind of lit. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna be using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. This is bae. And I'm using this big brush, the Vintage Cosmetic Company. It's just a big fluffy ass brush. You just go ham. And it feels so soft. It's just like, yes, give me more, give me more. All of it. I should have filled this one in a little bit more. A little bit more. That's it. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. So guys, did you enjoy that close-up of my skin? I mean, damn. But yeah, guys. Oh, wait. No. We're not done. Going in with some Fix Plus spray. Yeah. It's all about the face, but I am about to put on mascara. So, yeah, I'm just going to put on mascara, guys. That's it. But this tutorial is all about just skin, face, glow, okay? But I'm going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Mascara me down. Mascara me down, yo. Whew, we are finally done, y'all. That was for a minute. Should we put a lippy on? Well, I'm going to be using Kylie Cosmetics lip pencil in Leo. This is literally the only Kylie anything that I have, so I'm just going to use it because it was in front of me. So I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Ashton. I love this liquid lipstick. No one talks about it, but I love it. Okay, so the look is complete, guys. It's neutral, but it's glowy, and my skin looks amazing. So I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.